This is an ABC News special report. Now reporting, George Stephanopoulos.
Good morning. We are coming on the air now with the opening bell for U.S. stock markets. There it is right there. So much anxiety after Britain's big vote to break from Europe. It caused a 600-point drop in the Dow Friday, more than $800 billion in losses. The big question now, will that sell-off continue today? ABC's chief business correspondent Rebecca Jarvis live on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Good morning, Rebecca.
Good morning, George. And it's nowhere near as bad this morning as it was on Friday, but stocks are starting out the day lower. The Dow pointing down about 100 points at this moment as stocks continue to open up, continue to get situated for the day. The key question on Wall Street's mind this morning, and I've been talking to a number of veteran traders here on the floor, the key question on their mind is who's next? Could there be others that follow in Britain's footsteps in Europe? In their view, that would create a much larger economic question for the entire globe than the question before it right now, which is, what is Britain's future? What is our trading future with Britain? Goldman Sachs over the weekend came out and said they do anticipate that the United Kingdom will have a mild recession beginning next year, and that's the kind of thing that could have a ripple effect on people's 401ks, their retirement savings, and of course jobs here as well, George.
Could it cause a recession here in the United States eventually as well? We're seeing the market right there down more than 100 points right now, about 168 points. And this is coming off losses in Europe today, Rebecca, but Asia actually came back.
Asia came back, but what's very interesting in Asia is that Japan had been pummeled much worse than even other markets. The Nikkei there on Friday was down 8%, so you are seeing a little bit of a lift in Asia, but still, this is a market that is very much uncertain, very uncertain about what comes next. We're in uncharted territory. There is no blueprint for this, and there's a gauge here on Wall Street to judge the level of fear, the level of volatility. That hit 49% higher on Friday, George. You can tell that the volatility is going to continue here today.
No question. Market down a little more than 1% right now. Rebecca Jarvis, thanks very much. We're going to return now to regular programming. For many of you, that's Good Morning America. And you can get the latest news anytime on abcnews.com, plus a full wrap-up tonight on World News. Have a good day.
This has been a special report from ABC News.